I'm here to explain how to use the Marcy Cook math tiles. As most of you parents know, these have been coming home. What I wanted to show you is some strategies that I've already taught the class. First of all, please note that the number of the card is at the top, and it's card 11, and it's add and add-in tiles. That's the name of the concept. So when I have the kids do this in class, I have them lay their tiles out at the top of their board here, at least at the beginning, to make sure that they have all their tiles. And I guess this would be good practice for them to put them in numerical order. Oh, I forgot the 4. Okay, you may or may not be able to see all this on this screen. Now, another strategy I have them do is to look at the card and only do the ones first that have only one possible answer. So 7 plus something is 14. Well, we know that there was only one number that will fit, and that's a 7. And then there's one here at the bottom, something plus 5 equals 10. There's only one answer that will fit, and that would be the 5. So now then we go to, I teach them to look for the ones that have the lowest sum. So this is 7 and we have 6. So if it's 6, you have only these numbers up here that you can choose from. So out of these numbers, the combinations are 0 and 6 and 4 and 2. So it's kind of like trial and error. So if I do 6 and 0, 6 and 0, and this would be a good time to point out that it doesn't really matter if it's 0 or 6 and 0. That's a commutative property of addition. And that one, and then the next highest sum would be 7, and we don't have, we have 4 and 3. That would be the only ones that we can use. So we'd put 3 and 4 there. And I have to remind the children that, yes, that's true, but you may have to move them around. So here we've got 11, and then we have, the next answer is 9. So if we look here, there's only one combination here with the tiles that we have left that will make 9. And that would be 9 and 1. And fortunately for us, the last one, 2 and 8, unfortunately, oh, wait a minute. That didn't work. So natural consequences, 2 and 8 doesn't fit. That doesn't work. All the tiles must fit on this card, so I'm going to take these off. I made a mistake somewhere, so I'm going to have to go back and see. And 9 and 1 is not 9, but 8 and 1 is. Now, do these fit? 9 and 2 is 11? Yes, they do. So that would be a successful attempt at completing this math tile. So it's just a hands-on, different way of doing math facts and doing different properties with a little bit of problem solving. So if I put my numbers back up here, now in class we may do more than one card, and what I have the children show me, instead of walking to me with all the tiles on their card, I have me come to them when we look at their card. So now when we send them home, we have a way to record those, and this is the recording sheet that you have seen so far. So your child's name will be up at the top, and name of the tile sheet, where do you find that? The name of the tile sheet is right here, add and add-in tiles. So I'm going to write that right here, add, and you can just put add in. It doesn't have to be, exact. And this is sheet, we said that before, number 11. So you just circle 11. Sometimes I do it before they take it home. I think I'm going to stop that because it's confusing some people. So now, I only enter the name of the tile sheet once. And if I get add and add-in tile again, and I get a different number, I just have to circle that number. I'm not going to have it written every day. So at this point, we don't even have this many packets. So if tomorrow they get number 5, card 5, they complete that and just circle the 5. If I switch to a different tile packet, a different concept like fact families, then we would write it in here again and circle the number for that. Remember, each one has 20 different cards. I hope that clears things up.